everybody, it's Rocking with Ember. Welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm actually doing something different. Because today, as you can see, it's actually, as you might have read the title, or might have read the description, it's actually going to be different from my previous VeggieTales unboxings. Today I'm unboxing a box set, a DVD box set. So basically, guys, it's going to be something new. So basically, guys, it's as you can see, guys, ladies and gentlemen, it's this. The description is, since 1993, VeggieTales has helped millions of families teach their children timeless lessons from the Bible, all with hilarious storytelling, silly songs, and lovable vegetable characters. This Volume 3 collection, which covers 2005 to 2010, includes these classic VeggieTales shows: Sherlock Holmes and the Golden Ruler, Larry Boy and the Bad Apple, Gideon Tuber Warrior, Moe and the Big Gegzit, Tomato Sawyer and Huckleberry Larry's Big River Rescue, Abe and the Amazing Promise, Minnesota Cuke and the Search for Noah's Umbrella, St. Nicholas, Pistachio, and Sweet Pea Beauty. And here's what it looks like on the front. This actually looks pretty cool. Anyways, guys, just remember, God made you special, and He loves you very much. Goodbye, everybody.